We are in downtown Minneapolis, overlooking the Mississippi River, and this is a kitchen remodel project. My name is Tiffany Hanken. My design practice is Tiffany Hanken Design. I like working with blue because I consider it almost a neutral color. I feel like it's really regal, classic, and can fit in almost any space. For this project, we used Sherwin Emerald Trim Enamel for the island and the cabinets. In a two-tone kitchen, we try to have what we call a hero color or an anchor color on the base cabinets or the island. We combined the origami white and the colonnade gray, which both have warm undertones that really complement each other. And then we brought in the royal blue to be more of the hero color and really tie everything together. When you put these three colors together, it gives a really warm and friendly feel. Durability in a kitchen is a must. For the island, it was really important that we used durable paint, especially with how often that the clients entertain. For the tile, we wanted to choose something that was different, but still had a little bit of warmth with just splashes of blue. So we chose glass with some warm tones that brought out the cherry in the floors, and then the blue that brought in the royal blue, the island. We wanted to do something a little bit eclectic and bring in all the colors from the backsplash. We brought in vases to add color to the upper cabinets to tie in the backsplash in the island. We are really happy with this project. I think it's really fun and friendly, and it gives a really big wow factor and mirrors what's going on outside. The view is amazing, and it totally reflects in the kitchen. We would absolutely use this paint again. The color saturation was amazing, and the durability is fantastic.